Aloha, this is Harry from Kailua. Got a special request to teach May Day is Lay Day in Hawaii. Here's a close-up. May Day is Lay Day in Hawaii. Garlands of flowers everywhere. All of the colors of the rainbow. Maidens with blossoms in their hair. Flowers that mean we should be happy. Throwing aside a load of care. May Day is Lay Day in Hawaii. May Day is happy days out here. So, to learn this song, May Day is Lay Day in Hawaii, written in like 1927, you're going to need 8 chords. You're going to need an F, a C7, a C6, D7, G9, C, and A7. Okay, here's the first verse. Here's the melody. May Day is Lay Day in Hawaii. Garlands of flowers everywhere. Okay, so here's the chords. May Day is Lay Day in Hawaii. Garlands of flowers everywhere. Okay, here's the next line. All of the colors in the rainbow, maidens with blossoms in their hair. Okay, so here's what the chords. Let's see. All of the colors in the rainbow, maidens with blossoms in their hair. Next line. Flowers that mean we should be happy, throwing aside a load of care. Okay, here's what the chords. Flowers that mean we should be happy, throwing aside a load of care. Okay, last line. Oh, May Day is Lay Day in Hawaii. May Day is happy days out here. Okay, here's the chords with the last line. Oh, May Day is Lay Day in Hawaii. May Day is happy days out here. Here's the whole song, and you can strum along and sing along. May Day is Lay Day in Hawaii. Garlands of flowers everywhere. All of the colors in the rainbow. Maidens with blossoms in their hair. Flowers that mean we should be happy. Throwing aside a load of care. May Day is Lay Day in Hawaii. May Day is happy days out here. Now if you wanted to make an instrumental of it, you could. Let's see, let's do it real slow. Here's the first line. Notice most of the notes are in the chords as usual. May Day is, let's see. May Day is Lay Day in Hawaii. So notice the 3, add the 3 to the F, and that's another type of F chord. May Day is, and then add the 3 to the F. May Day in Hawaii. Then stay there, just add the baby finger on the 5. Garlands of flowers everywhere. Okay. Then you hold the D7 with these 2 fingers, then you can go from baby finger. Let's see. That's one way to do it. You could go like this, hold the D this way. And that becomes a D7 because this is C7, C sharp 7, D7. So that's another way you can do it. All of the colors. Or you could stretch it. Let's see. All of the colors in the rainbow. Then the 3 is in a G. May add the 3 for the dance of. The 0 is in the G9. Flowers in there. Add the 3 for the C. Yeah. Flowers that mean we should be happy. Throwing aside a load of care. G7. May Day is May in Hawaii. May Day is happy days out here. Now let's see, I'm going to do it again. Hope you enjoyed learning that great song from 1927. Please check back, tell your friends, and take care. Aloha.